Evo mene spet v SMG-ju, za tiste, ki ne veste, SMG, slovensko mladinsko gledališče. Tukaj sem igral v eni predstavi Nikrstav, tako smo že povedali od ene prve dodaj. In zdaj vam bom predstavil dva prijatelja, tudi moja soigralca Yuki in Kenta. What's up, guys? How you doing? You good?
Yeah,
good. Hey, I promised you one show on my Chorchypova štala. You know what Chorchypova štala means? It means like I can't pronounce it in English word, so no problem. Okay, to sta moja dva prijatelja iz oddaje Yuki, Kenta. So tell us something about yourself. How old are you?
I'm 21.
21? You're coming from?
From Japan.
Japan. Huh? Fantje, dekleta. I told the girls that you are free, okay? And he's also free. So, how old are you, man?
I'm 23.
23?
Yeah.
Also from Japan?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. How you feel in Slovenia?
I like.
Good,
Love
huh?
that.
Good. Good. So, are you prepared for the training?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Good. Okay. So, you're going to do with your hands. Yeah, and hold it. Yeah, like this. Good. And the other one. Yeah. All right. So you're going to. Oh, I know Japanese word. Arigato. Okay. Now you stand here. You stand here. Okay. Gledalci, danes se bomo naučili dvojnih kombinacij, ena z nogo, ena z roko, v bistvu dva udarca. Čist preprost, z njimi bomo delali tako, da boste lahko se naučili to tudi doma. Najprej bomo delali počas, pa bomo pa kar delali v akciji. Okay. Which guard is yours? Left or right? Left? Obvlada že, se pravi balet se lahko miksa z borilno večino, brez problema. Okay, you're gonna go cross, and down, and then up. Yeah, that's right. Totally perfect. Did you train before?
Yeah.
Hey, boxing? Huh? I knew it. Okay, bang and bang. And then I'm gonna twist it on your legs. Okay? Tle je vse perfektno. Se pravi, ko greš na kroše, fajn zarotiraš bok, bam, zarotiraš, okay? In zarotiraš v drugo stran, fajn zapreš boke, od zadaj se postaviš na prste. Okay, we go faster. Okay? Okay, again. Good. Okay, I will take this. Alright. Maybe we can go faster. Okay. Good one. Good. Good. Really good. Okay, now you go. Magari, boom, and no, step down. You go. Oh. You twist your head, your leg, and then Nawashi. Okay. Bang, bang. Yeah, good one. Maybe you can go a little bit slower. You go first Magari and back here. Yeah. You go on the stomach and then Nawashi. You go to the head. Boom, boom. Yeah, good one. Okay, again. Hey, hey. Yeah, good. Okay. Boom, boom. Good. Boom, boom. Yeah, one more. Bam, bam. Okay, now we're gonna do it faster. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. Hey, go. Hey, good one. Go. Hey, go. Okay, again. Hey, go. Yeah, go. You go. Hey, good one, boys. You tired? Good. Okay. I'm going to teach you some Slovenian words.
Oh.
Okay? What do you want to know?
How to hook up with girls, no?
Ah, with the girls. Okay. So when you go to the girl, you say gently on her ear, prefuko te bom.
Prefuko te bom.
All right. So you guys teach me some in Japan. You know, maybe when I go to the Japanese girl and I like you, something like that.
Yeah.
何する？
じゃあやりまんでいく。
それはあかんやろ。
じゃあどうする？
それで行こう。OK。
If you go to the girls, now you're going to club and dance and just say yariman.
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 Yeah, that's mean I like you.
Okay, Yariman. Okay, good. Thank you very much, man. Thank you very much. It was nice to talk with you guys and train with you. Boss, thank you very much. Okay, see you soon. Okay? Mi se pa vidimo v naslednji Chorchypovi štali. Boste kmalu videli, za kva se gre.
あれ言ったらまずいね。
どうしたら探しちゃったそう女に思いっきり殴られてくだ
まあ大丈夫でしょう。強いし。多分。
でも絶対あれやばいって